Welcome. In this short video I will number an A5 Docket book. We begin by clicking the Open button to select the file. Then tick the Number Radio button as shown, and as you can see a number has appeared on the live preview in the center of the screen. Then position the number using the number position and style settings on the bottom right of the screen. I should also mention that it is possible to generate a live PDF preview of the docket with the number by clicking the Preview Number button near the bottom right hand corner of the user interface as shown here. It is important to close this preview to continue, as it cannot be updated if left open. If you wish to print the job face up, remember to tick the Reverse Numbers checkbox. This means you will print the highest number first face up, and the lowest number will be the last page and therefore on top of the pile. Also note that the output sheet size dictates the number up. In this case we will print two A5s on an A4 sheet, so we will choose A4 as the output sheet. The sheet is automatically rotated for best fit. I will make one final adjustment before imposing the job. That is to change the quantity required to 200. In that way we'll have two docket books with 100 dockets in each book. Then, to impose the job, click the Impose Artwork button. After processing, it will open automatically in our default PDF application, and as you can see, the highest numbers are on the first sheet. This will print first, and obviously the lowest number will print last and therefore be on top of the pile. And as you can see, it is split exactly into two books, one book on each side of the sheet. So in this video I have explained how to number a docket book. For more information, I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on ppdprepress.co.uk. Thank you.